Hey guys, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance, and this video today, I just want to do a quick video on a what vehicle to use for repairs, or kind of go-to vehicle. And I'm in a fortunate position right now. I got three choices, so I kind of want to go over those with you. So let's go. So I have a Toro business, right? If you don't know what Toro is, it's basically kind of like Airbnb for cars. And I've got this Prius here I have on Toro, and I've got this van over here I have on Toro, and that's my work truck, right? As you already know from plenty of my videos. And the Prius got in an accident, so we're gonna get that fixed. So excuse the bumper. And I was like, man, so I have a couple service calls today. Oh, and if you want to know more about my Toro business, there's a link below too. So I said, I got some service calls to do today. And I said, man, let me take the Prius. The Prius is available. I don't have it rented out right now. And because the Prius has got pretty good trunk space, man. Look at this. So I got I put a lot of my old heavy duty parts, my a couple of pumps and this stuff, I just want to bring with me just in case, you don't know what you're really going to need. And so I keep that in this bin. In this parts bin, I typically keep my newer parts in here. So a couple newer parts in here. This is basically my tool bag where I keep all my tools. I need to put my drill in here. I'm glad I looked at that again. So I put my tools, and this is another parts bin. I keep a lot of my new stuff in. Here, this is just like a pump because I got a machine I gotta do today, whirlpool I gotta look at today, so bringing that just in case. Got my cleaner here. So this is like all the basic stuff you need. I mean, these three are kind of unnecessary, but they're just in case. I hate running to the parts store, so I like to bring my own stuff. So the Prius has enough room in the trunk for that, I mean, you can't be mad, dude, and it's good on gas. So I'm gonna run some service calls today with the Prius. I mean, a sign look good on this thing too, but that's not its purpose though. It's a Toro vehicle. So, and this is my old workhorse here, and this trunk space is a little different here, right? So in this one I keep so when I do deliveries, right? So I keep my hoses and wires in one bin, and so I don't need that today because I'm not doing deliveries. I got another tool bag over there with parts. It's funny, you wonder why I got oil in here. There's old oil. I use that for bearings and stuff like that. So I do bearings. So I got that, and I also have a choice of the van. Van will be a little better on gas. Lots of room definitely for storage, but to me it doesn't look as appealing pulling up to a customer house in a Honda Odyssey. You know what I mean? So I'd rather take the truck other than the Odyssey, but it would be a good option too. So. Yeah, that's it, man. So I'm gonna go roll with the Prius today, man. Good on gas. I got room, so I think this would be an excellent service vehicle. I'm not using it as a service vehicle just for today, but if I ever needed to long term, I mean, it'd be a good option if you guys running service calls. But if you're flipping appliances, it's not as good because you can't. I mean, you can put a tow hitch on these things and maybe a small trailer, but I would rather get a pickup truck if I'm gonna do that. So pickup truck definitely serves my purposes more because I can use it to deliver machines in and have my parts in, do service calls. Also, if I'm driving, you see something on the side of the road you want to pick up, boom, you can grab it. Prius, not so much. So, but if you're strictly doing service calls, this might be a good work video you may want to consider. So, any questions, feel free to comment. A link below to my Toro business. Check out my journey with my Toro business. Yeah, so that's it. Any questions, comments, don't forget to like, subscribe. This is Reggie with A-Team Appliance.